Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing another microphone test in this video. So today we got the Beat Studio Pro in-house, recording on them as we speak. I can already tell that the volume levels I'm seeing in OBS are rather low, so I don't have high expectations once I listen back to this audio about the microphone quality here, but we'll see. So this is an Apple product. Apple owns Beats, and these are the Studio Pros. So these, I think, are the most up-to-date Beats that they currently make over your headphones for. So yeah, let me know the sounds. I'm getting like in the negative 30-ish range for decibels here, so it's not really even hitting the yellow. It's mostly in the mid-green, so it's rather low. So yeah, this is a audio sample. I'm connected through Bluetooth to my PC. So that might be also throwing a wrench in things and making the audio sound worse. But yeah, let me know. Let's look at the sounds, or mostly how it sounds. And yeah, this can be a judge if you want to use Bluetooth Beats on PC to communicate, to record audio, maybe Zoom calls. Maybe that's about it that I could honestly do. I have a feeling this is probably on par with a webcam microphone, but we'll see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out this quick audio sample of the Beat Studio Pros connected to a PC via Bluetooth and recording in basically normal sound conditions. So yeah, let me know the sounds. I'm not going to adjust the audio at all when I upload this in editing. I'm not going to edit this video at all. It's going straight to YouTube so you guys can hear the raw output from this microphone. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe and leave a like on this video, and look forward to more tech stuff coming soon. So peace out, guys.